Argentina is actively exploring a deal with Denmark to acquire two Iver Huitfeldt-class frigates, aiming to rejuvenate its naval capabilities after years of stagnation. One Battleim, the Argentine Ministry of Defence's Secretary for International Affairs, confirmed that discussions are underway with the Royal Danish Navy regarding the potential transfer of these multipurpose warships. The acquisition would fill the void left by the long-defunct ARA Hércules and ARA Heroína, both of which have been inactive due to serious mechanical and logistical setbacks. The Hércules has been sidelined for over 10 years following the failure of its turbines, while Heroína, a MECO 360 destroyer, became entangled in delays related to a British arms embargo. Originally commissioned in 2012, the Iver Huitfeldt-class frigates were developed as a modern replacement for Denmark's aging Niels Juel-class ships. These vessels were engineered to perform a broad spectrum of tasks, including air defense, anti-surface warfare, and anti-submarine operations. Built using a modular design derived from the Absalon-class hull, the Iver Huitfeldt frigates are named in honor of historic Danish naval commanders, specifically Iver Huitfeldt, Peter Willemoes, and Niels Juel. Their construction took place across multiple countries, with segments fabricated in Estonia and Lithuania before being assembled at Denmark's Odense shipyard. Weighing in at 6,645 tons, these 138.7-meter-long frigates are equipped with 4 MTU 8000 diesel engines, enabling them to cruise at over 28 knots and travel up to 9,000 nautical miles without refueling. They carry an impressive suite of radar and sonar technology, including the Thales Smart L and APR systems, along with the Atlas AS-094 sonar and Terma's Scanter 6000 radar. These systems are supplemented by electronic countermeasure platforms like the Signat SRBOC and Terma Mk137 decoy launchers. A helicopter pad and hangar allow operation of mid-sized helicopters, such as the MH-60R Seahawk, giving the ships added operational reach. When it comes to armament, the Iver Huitfeldt-class ships do not disappoint. They feature 32-cell Mark 41 vertical launchers for SM-2 missiles, 24 ESSMs, and 16 Harpoon Block 2 missiles for ship-to-ship engagements. Their deck guns include twin 76mm OTO Melara cannons and a 35mm Oerlikon Millennium CIWS for close-in defense. For underwater threats, the frigates are equipped with Mu-90 torpedo launchers. There's also provision for replacing the forward 76mm gun with a more powerful 127mm Mark 45 artillery piece. Looking ahead, the class may see integration of naval strike missiles and more advanced SM-6 interceptors to align with NATO's evolving combat requirements. Despite their robust specs, the class has suffered from technical issues. In early 2024, during an operation in the Red Sea, HDMS Iver Huitfeldt experienced critical failures, including a breakdown in its missile fire control system, which temporarily disabled its ability to launch ESSMs. Compounding the issue, its main gun malfunctioned, with several rounds exploding prematurely. These problems have also been observed on sister ships Peter Willemoes and Niels Juel, prompting Denmark's top defense official, General Michael Heilgaard, to recommend halting any further upgrades to the class due to escalating maintenance costs and the likelihood of eventual replacement under Denmark's naval renewal strategy. Nevertheless, Denmark is not planning to scrap the Iver Huitfeldt frigates outright. Instead, they may be reconfigured for patrol and surveillance duties in Danish territorial waters, tasks currently handled by smaller Diana-class vessels. Such a downgrade would involve removing some high-end sensors and weapon systems, shifting the frigates into a less combat-intensive role and extending their service life. For Argentina, obtaining these decommissioned but still capable warships presents an economically viable alternative to constructing new ships from scratch. Given Argentina's tight defense budget, refurbishing used vessels offers a way to bolster naval strength without incurring unsustainable costs. Turkish defense company Aselsan, which has experience upgrading similar MECO-class ships for Turkey, has proposed a modernization package tailored to Argentina's needs. Their plan includes enhancements to radar, sonar, electronic warfare, and the overall combat management system, effectively transforming aging platforms into modern multi-role combatants. Bringing the Iver Huitfeldt-class into Argentine service would significantly boost the country's maritime posture in the South Atlantic, a region where maintaining naval presence has become increasingly vital. The frigate's adaptability, advanced systems, and helicopter support make them suitable for a wide range of missions, including territorial defense, anti-submarine warfare, and air surveillance. This move would also complement Argentina's parallel efforts to upgrade its submarine force and rehabilitate its fleet of MECO 360 destroyers. Still, the final decision hinges on complex variables, budget constraints, political alignment, and ongoing strategic priorities. Argentina's leadership must weigh this potential purchase against other pressing needs, including submarine acquisition and broader force modernization. Should the deal with Denmark go through, the Iver Huitfeldt-class ships could become cornerstones of Argentina's renewed naval doctrine, offering a critical leap forward in national defense capabilities without the financial burden of starting from zero.